So this is a Park Tool DS-1. Wasn't turning on, so I went through and did some component analysis in here to diagnose it, and came to find that the capacitor here was bad. And this is emblematic of units from this era. This was given to me, so I didn't have any money in this, thankfully, but this was the capacitor that was in there. And you can see, maybe if I can, it's a 10 microfarad, 16 volt, and it's a random brand. I think it's a Jamco. So it's kind of a no-name. This is emblematic of capacitor plague from the 10 to 2015, something like that, mid that era. Anyway, this tested bad, and I went ahead and replaced it with a grossly oversized one, but that's what I happen to have in my drawer, massively over voltage. But I had this lying around, so it will get it back and going. And you can see that now, power that on, it does indeed work. So that was the entire problem. And I hope this helps you if you have this problem. To open the unit up, it's just got screws. Open it up. If you're handy with a soldering iron like I am, you can replace that capacitor. You probably have a better size one than I do, but if you replace that capacitor on the board here, here's a close-up of where it lives, you will be back in business. Note, it is a polarized capacitor, so you'll want to make sure that you solder on the right polarity so you don't short things out. But that's it. That's all that it was.